So guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. How you all doing? I'm just coming from work and I just want to video this train railway and show you. And this is the works of men. And if God give men all these knowledge, look at it. Yeah, right all the way back.
The next train to leave
to do this.
Is the 1619 South
Is there anything that is impossible to God? Look at it. I'm not even going close. I just want to show you that's the train station. For all who never see the railway, that's the railway. Yes, that is the train railway. And you can't go to that yellow line because it's very dangerous, because the train can pull you with the force that the train come with. It can pull you into the line. Yes, so I just want to show my people who have never yet seen a train line, what it looks like, or a train railway station. This is what it's look like. Okay guys, I hope you will enjoy my little foolish video. Like and subscribe to my channel. It's your dear beloved sister Janice here. God bless you. Guys, this is the train coming. Look at it. That's the train. It's coming. Yeah. And I'm about to board the train now. Okay guys. Catch you later. And I'm in the train now, guys.
This is Hans. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave.
So that's what the train looks like. Yeah, that's what the train look like, guys.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Putney.
And that's another train over there. Yes. It's like an aeroplane, isn't it?